Today we are changing the ignition coil. Number 2 I have a problem with number 2. The second cylinder. There's 6 cylinders, so there's a brand new one. Just ordered from Amazon. Very simple fix. You unplug it from here, here, and there you go. Do not forget to mark them. And we're using a ratchet with a 10mm socket. Let's see. Perfect. You hear that noise? Yeah. Yeah, all right. This is tight. Number 1. Now it's all out. All I gotta do is take this out and switch it with the new one. I gotta unplug that. To disconnect this little piece here, this connector, you have to pop this red tab right here, pop it up, and pinch that and disconnect it. Now it's popped up. This shit, got it all out. You just have to wiggle that thing a little bit. And I got the old one, and I'm gonna replace it with this new one. I've already marked every one of those with numbers with a marker, so I'm not gonna make a mistake. The new baby is in. That's it. So I put the new one in, and not too tight because I'm gonna fire off the engine and I put every cylinder in its place. So let me go ahead. Everything sounds great. Everything is. I can go ahead and turn it off and tighten everything. The P302 message I was getting is gone. Hope you enjoyed the video. Car's fixed. It runs much cleaner. The gas, it sounds smoother and very clean, very easy.